Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to what I'm looking at for the week. Sorry, it's coming late. I was on the road. I just got back home to, patch things up and see what I can get. So we have a break of a low on DXY. So we can expect some more downward move on it from what I can see. So that means we can continue looking for buys opportunity on EU, GU, and EU for the week. That's what I see. So it might just come in and keep dropping because this is the recent, supply zone after the break. So because of that, I'll be looking forward to buy. So on GU, we have a break of a high here too. So I have this demand zone I'm looking out for the market to tap into, then go higher. EU, same thing. I have a break of this high. I'm waiting for the market to tap into here, then go higher. And AU, which is the last one, same thing. Only for this one, I'm expecting it to come into either this zone, right, or lower. So it can be any of the two. So I will have to go to the lower time frame and see how the market reacts in these zones to know which one I'm going to take. My students already understand what I mean by that. And last week was so good for us. We got some good trades. Let me show you some. This EURNZD, this was it before. And when I sent it, you can see the timing. I said 0.5% for my team. And I sent it at March 6 for them. And this was when we hit TP. You can see March 7. That was when the TP was hit. Exactly the trade I sent to them. I gave them GBP too. This was before, but that one left us, went to the TP without tagging us in. So I gave them this EURNZD. This was before, and we can check the market right now. And right now on the market, you can see actually came to where we said and reacted, and we're expecting some more up movements. It has already moved. I don't know if we can tap in, but we are already in profit on this. I gave them this AUDCHF. And presently, this is what we have for the week, is reacting to that zone. So I'm looking for this to keep going down. EURNZD, I'm looking for this to keep going up, just like I gave the trade. I showed you the trade before all this is happening. So I decided to start showing this. So it won't look as if I'm just doing weekly analysis without taking trades. I started to show you the trades I am taking, and then I'm sending to my groups for them to take as well. So for the week, I'm looking for EURNZD to go up. I'm already in. I have already broken even my stop loss already on both trades, but they are in deep profit. But I'm waiting for them to keep going. I will keep trailing my stop. GU for the week. So I'm waiting for GU. I'm waiting for GU to come to this area. Let me come to the 2 hours. So in the 2 hours, you can see this little red candle. So I'm waiting for it to come here. I want to see what's going to do right there. So then I'll know if I'm going to take that buy all the way up. That's what I'm expecting on GU. EU, same thing. I just said it earlier. Let me just go over it again. I'm expecting it to come into this red folder then. I won't just tap into this trade. I'll go to the lower time frame to scale it. AU, same thing. GBP I gave out this trade upper week. Go and check my videos, upper week. That was when I gave out this trade. So it has been slow and choppy, but then it's moving to the TP of this. I still held this trade because I knew it's going to come and fill up this gap. So once it gets here, I will look for a lower time frame confirmation to get into the sell as well. I know it's going to fill up this, then start moving down. EURNZD, same thing. Is either it respects this supply zone or it respects this. But I have some lower time frame confirmation on this, and I'm already on the sell, right? I'm already on this sell, but I have even broken even. I think I moved my stop loss already to somewhere here because I know there is a gap here too. So the market can decide to use this tool as liquidity and come back to swipe it and take all of us out. So I'm being careful with this. So it can decide to just, run up before going down. And another reason why I'm being careful is because if you check GBP CHF, still has a little space to come to this place too. So I think because they kind of move together in some way. So because of this little space, that's why I'm being careful with this one. So I think I've given you more than enough, guys. So based on that, this is just what I'm going to give you. Watch out for all those zones I tell you guys. If you're able to catch some good trades, congratulations. And I will see you guys next week. And I promise this one will be during weekend, not on Monday. Thank you very much for always watching my videos. Thank you for reaching out to me. If you have any problem with Forex and you want to learn, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.